Welcome to new lesson today. Today we will learn about how we can add zero in Excel. You can see in this data I have mobile numbers. Sometime what happens we need to add zero before the number. So what happens if we add without let's see what happens if you try to add manually. What will happen? See, I'm trying to add manually but it is not getting it added. So what do we need to do to get zero before the number? So we have to apply a simple formula through which you will be able to add zero for all the numbers, because it is not possible to do it manually. It will take a lot of time and it will be very long process. So better to understand how we can, and this process you can apply for other things also. It's not like only you want to add zero through this formula. I mean this kind of formula we can apply, and through this you can add additional zero or any numbers before all the numbers. Alright, let's see how we can do it. It's very simple. So first what we do, we need to do just apply what we do, always apply equal to sign before applying any formula. So now in inverted comma what we have to add? Zero. So you have to apply, add. To add zero you have to first type equal to, then inverted comma, equal to, then inverted comma, then zero, again inverted comma. Now what you have to add number after what you want. After zero I want number, so to add number you need to add and then simply select this number and just need to do enter. So now you can see we have got zero before our number, what we wanted. What about the others, rest of the numbers? It's very simple. For rest of the numbers you also need to do the same thing. Just simply you can drag till down or you can simply double click over here. Now you can see we are able to add zero before all the numbers. So this is how you can add numbers. This is very simple. You can do it with other situation also where you need to add something before numbers. It's not about zero only. I have just given you an example for with zero, because if you wanted to add something else before numbers then you could have added that also. So in the same way, you can say we have used this function kind concatenate. You have just added this. Alright, in the same way you can do it with others, and whenever you need zero before any number you can apply this. Very simple. Just equal to, then in inverted comma you have to use zero, then apply, and to use and you need to press shift and 7 and you will be able to get, after pressing 7 shift 7 you will get and function. To get and you will press shift 7. After that just simply click on the number, then double click, so you will be able to get the result for rest of the numbers. Alright, so this is all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. I'll come up with another lesson